Hello and welcome to our Harvest of the Month Spotlight on Melons. There are many different types of melons. Some of the most popular melons are cantaloupe, honeydew, and watermelon. We call cantaloupe and honeydew el melon in Spanish. Watermelon has a different name than honeydew and cantaloupe in Spanish. Watermelon is called la sandía in Spanish. Melons come in many different colors and sizes. Melons get their different colors from carotenoids, which are yellow, orange, and red pigments created by plants. Did you know that watermelons can also be yellow? Melons were first grown in Persia and then in North Africa nearly 4,000 years ago. Melons were later introduced to Northern Europe and were first harvested by people living in Spain. Spanish explorers brought melon seeds to North America. In 1683, melons were introduced to the California region by Spanish missionaries. Melons were grown almost exclusively in home gardens until the first half of the 20th century. This is when more disease-resistant varieties were developed by the United States Department of Agriculture. The peak season for melons is between July and August. Fresno County is the leading producer of cantaloupes. California leads the nation in both cantaloupe and honeydew production. Melons belong to the fruit food group. All fruits have seeds. Melons have many plant parts. The melon is the fruit part of the plant. Melons also have flowers, stems, and leaves. Melon plants also have roots that grow under the ground, which supply the plant with nutrients and water. Vitamin C found in watermelon and honeydew help us heal cuts. Carotenoids protect our body from free radicals that may cause disease. Vitamin A in cantaloupe keeps our eyes healthy. What are some of your favorite melon snacks? This is one of mine. You can see this and many more recipes at foodhero.org. To see this watermelon recipe video, check out the link to our YouTube channel in the video description. Remember, honeydew and cantaloupe are called el melon in Spanish. Watermelon is called la sandía. For our mindful moment today, take a few minutes to draw a food that best represents your mood. Thank you for participating in this month's Harvest of the Month Spotlight on Melons. Be sure to try this champion of vitamin C at home or school.